Sabi nga ni Mrs. Atilio, Filipino siya, English daw ako. Pero ang gist, parang it's the same, no? That every time we are invited to a reunion, we are really very glad, happy, because it is one way of realizing that you, former students, remember us. That it is a time of fulfillment for us, knowing that our former students would like to see us, and that they also know perhaps that we had been a part of their success. Knowing now and seeing you are all fulfilled, you are all successful. Somehow, in our small
dati dinidirawa yung utong
we were able to touch your life, and that is a good sign. No? Our labor of
Dito kaya ako ng lechon, no?
is always
nakakontribute din ako, 10 piso rin yun.
Thank you very much.